Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Legends. The 2025 Ford Maverick continues to redefine what a compact pickup truck can be, blending practicality, affordability, and innovation into a package that's hard to ignore. With the automotive landscape rapidly shifting towards electrification, tech integration, and fuel efficiency, the Maverick stands out as a forward-thinking truck designed for modern drivers who need utility without the bulk of a full-size pickup. Ford has built the Maverick with a clear purpose: to offer a versatile truck that's not just for traditional truck buyers, but also for city dwellers, young professionals, and anyone seeking an efficient and flexible vehicle. The 2025 model builds on the success of its predecessors by refining its design, expanding its feature set, and offering new powertrain options that suit a broad range of lifestyles. One of the key highlights of the 2025 Maverick is its continued offering of a hybrid powertrain as standard in base models. This 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid system delivers impressive fuel economy, clocking in at over 40 miles per gallon in city driving conditions, making it one of the most fuel-efficient trucks on the market. For those who crave more power or plan to do serious hauling or towing, the optional 2.0-liter EcoBoost turbocharged engine remains available. It brings lively acceleration and a towing capacity of up to 4,000 pounds when equipped with the towing package, giving it solid credentials in the compact truck segment. Visually, the 2025 Maverick sports subtle styling tweaks that give it a more refined and rugged appearance. The front grille has been updated with a more aggressive design, while new wheel options and paint colors allow for greater personalization. Inside, the cabin remains a functional and comfortable space, but Ford has upgraded some of the materials and added more tech features across the trim levels. A new, larger infotainment screen is standard, running the latest Sync 4 system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, offering smoother and more intuitive control of media, navigation, and smartphone connectivity. Ford has also leaned into the DIY ethos that made the Maverick a hit. The FLEXBED system returns, allowing owners to customize their truck bed with a variety of accessories and storage solutions. It includes multiple tie-down points, a 110 volts power outlet, and even built-in slots for dividing the bed with 2x4s or 2x6s are perfect for weekend warriors, handymen, and outdoor adventurers alike. The interior features clever storage areas, including underseat compartments and deep door pockets, maximizing the use of space in a compact footprint. Another strong point for the Maverick is its price point. Starting under $25,000, it remains one of the most affordable trucks in North America. This low barrier to entry, combined with strong fuel economy and a long list of standard features, makes it particularly attractive to younger buyers or those looking for a second vehicle with hauling capabilities. Ford also offers several trims of XL, XLT, and Lariato along with optional packages like the Tremor Off-Road package, allowing buyers to tailor the Maverick to their exact needs. Driving the 2025 Maverick is a pleasant surprise. Despite its compact size and front-wheel drive base configuration, it offers a composed ride and car-like handling. The hybrid version is whisper-quiet and smooth in traffic, while the turbocharged model adds punch and confidence at highway speeds. Available all-wheel drive further expands its appeal to drivers in snowy or rugged climates. In a market filled with bloated trucks and rising prices, the 2025 Ford Maverick proves that practicality, affordability, and innovation can still coexist. It's not just a great compact truck, it's a smart choice for anyone who wants capability without compromise. Whether you're commuting to work, tackling weekend projects, or heading out on an adventure, the Maverick is ready to deliver.